Hello. This is part 1 of my vlog. I'm going to be building a sword for myself. As you can see, I have the handle. And I have holes for the 2 pins, which will be here and here. They fit really well. They're not coming out. I don't even have the epoxy in this thing yet. Anyway, this hole right here is what we're fixing today. I don't need it, but I put it in there, and I gotta get rid of it. That's where these little babies come in. Voila! The hole is plugged. And it's not falling out. You can clearly see that it is stuck in there pretty damn well. These are 4mm gems, and I have a bunch of extras because I was just like, I can't buy just one. Sorry about the noise. My dog likes to tear up the junk mail.